Hi traders, you're welcome to my channel. I am 𝗬𝗢𝗪𝗟. Now that was a bad entry point because of the fast movements of the market, but actually it's also a good trade in the direction of the trend. It was an uptrend. I think it was an uptrend. It's now, you see, it was an uptrend, a ranging, so the market will be going down from here. So when you get you just follow the downward movement. Now, how do I know that this market is going down? This is the use of the indicators. We can see within this candlestick, a dead cross is about to happen. Dead cross, this is the crossing of a slower EMA over a faster EMA to the downward direction. A golden cross is the crossing of a faster EMA over a slower EMA to the upward direction, which shows selling and buying pressure respectively. This is what we have here. Let me use another pair. Oh, sorry, this was my first trade before I started this one. So I'll use this one now. Okay, what do we have here? Let's see. I think this is an exhaustion candlestick. This not really an exhaustion candlestick, but this candlestick calls for a retracement. Why? Because it has the same size upper and lower wick. When a candlestick has the same size upper and lower wick like this, doing a breakout, you might think, oh, this is going to continue, but no, this is just a candle that is calling for a retracement after this 1 2 3 4. After this 4-minute downtrend, we need at least a retracement back to a key level to get fresh pressure, because here is the pressure. Here is what started the pressure. At this point, the pressure must have been exhausted, so it needs to go back and interact with a key level. When it does that, a fresh pressure comes into the market, and this is exactly what we have here. Please, if this is your first time in my channel, please do it to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to get the ebook is available. You can get it at the description of this video. You can contact me on WhatsApp and I'm going to tell you how you can get it. And then from the beginning of February, the mentorship program is going to start for the year 2025. For February, it will be starting. If you are interested, contact me with the link in the description of this video. I am going to show you how you can get involved. There are other mentorship students, so you can join them. And in this program, I'm going to be sharing for the first time a social group where we can interact with ourselves, which you can share knowledge with ourselves as we learn how to trade. So this is what we'll be doing there, and you will have all the opportunity to ask me any question that you want to ask, any question whatsoever that you want to ask. You will be able to ask me at that time. Now let's go back to our chart. We still have the golden dead cross, and what we have here is like a fake breakout. I think I have talked about this in our last video. Yes, I think I talked about it, whereby you get a breakout and a weak candle, and then you go with the put. But now in this case, it's kind of difficult to do that. Why? It's difficult to do that simply only because we are already at the end of this trend. You can see the Bollinger. Okay, I think the fake breakout is about to happen, but since this Bollinger Band is here, we have to be careful. This is exactly what I showed in our last video. You can go back and you see it there. This is like the second example that I showed. So since this is a fake breakout, now we will be using this key level, which is the 100 EMA as price. We have to go back there. When price goes back there, it's going to reject, and then we are going to trade. If it goes back there, let's wait and see, but it has to go back there. Okay, now a reject. Yes, it's as simple as that. This is exactly what we need. A best case scenario, you can trade it above the EMA. Let's see this EMA. Yes, above this EMA. Let me put. Oh, I missed that already, but no problem. This is exactly how you can trade the fake breakout of the 50 EMA, because this is a breakout. This is supposed to be a retracement and a continuation, but now it is acting like this is now a breakout and a continuation. This candle here has shown me that this breakout is fake, because after a good breakout, you should get a good candlestick, not this kind of weak candlestick. So like I said, if this is your first time here, please do it to like, share and subscribe to this channel. If you want to join the mentorship, which is the best option, you should join it so that you can get one-on-one with me. I am going to practically hold your hands and teach you how to become a disciplined successful trader who can read the market with ease. So this is what I have for the month of February. You can start applying now. I need only 10 members so that I can give you my full attention. Only 10 students is what I need. If it's more than 10, then I will not be taking any more students until this batch is over. So until next time, I wish you a very safe trading week. Bye bye.